Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the GPU for dual use. Verify your PSU can handle peak loads and keep 20–30% headroom. Once done, perform a clean driver and firmware update so the OS recognizes both gaming and mining workloads reliably. Make sure to record baseline gaming clocks, temperatures, and power draw. This gives you a reference to revert if mining changes performance. You'll want these numbers at hand before switching modes, because they'll guide safe overclock and power limit adjustments later. Next, configure mining so it minimally impacts your gaming experience. Create separate GPU profiles, one optimized for gaming and one for mining, and map them to hotkeys so you can switch instantly. Once the miner runs, set a conservative power limit around 70–85% to cut heat and extend lifespan. This also reduces fan noise during gaming sessions. Also, apply a mild undervolt to the GPU core and tune memory for hash efficiency. This keeps the card stable while preserving the gaming clocks when you switch back. Finally, switch cleanly and maintain the setup. Always stop the miner before launching a heavy game, then apply your gaming profile so clocks and fan curves restore instantly. Maintain a weekly routine, check drivers, clean dust from heat sinks, and verify temps and fan behavior to avoid thermal throttling. If you encounter stuttering or crashes, revert to your recorded baseline settings, increase cooling, or lower the mining power limit. That single troubleshooting tip will quickly tell you whether the issue is thermal, power, or driver related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.